Also, the river will be there.
Today we are going to Arriba Beach on the California coast, about 11 miles south of San Luis Obispo. This is a cute little harbor. It's a dream place for RVers because you can park your RV right by the beach where the Pacific Ocean is right at your doorsteps. This is really awesome! The campground at Arriba Beach is called Point San Luis RV Campground. There are a total of 5 areas for RV parking, including full hookup sites and dry campsites. All spaces are first come, first served only, no reservations. The space right by the beach are the premium spots, as long as you are okay to drive camp without a plug-in. When everybody is fighting for a spot, here's the rule. You must physically be in a campsite with your RV to secure it. We know sometimes people will stand at a campsite to secure it, but no, human body doesn't count. The campgrounds here are very basic. It's just like a parking lot. You are very close to neighbors. If you are lucky to get a space by the beach, then you need to bear with the traffic, as it's right next to the road. Lots of cars and people pass by your RV. Otherwise, go to the spaces on the hills. Parking by the beach, you have easy access to the ocean. Park on the hills, you have a better bird's eye view. How to choose? They do have one restaurant in the harbor area. The closest town is a couple of miles away, so pack everything you need in advance. Timing is really important if you want to camp at Arriba Beach. The first time we were here was on weekday in November. Not many RVs. You could take your time to choose the best spot to park your RV. But the second time we were there was during Christmas holiday. The entire area, including the overflow area on the hills, were all full. We even had a hard time to find the parking on the side of the road. This is insane. But of course, this is the Christmas holiday. July 4th must be really crazy. Well, we were hoping to find a space to camp overnight. Unfortunately, due to the crowds, no spaces were available at all. We really didn't want to leave this beautiful place so soon. So we decided to take some drone videos and take in this splendid, gorgeous scenery to share it with our viewers. One dog even noticed our drone, following the drone for a long time, trying to catch it. It was so fun to watch it. this is our trip to Avila Beach. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot to us. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel are the encouragement to us. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Alright, stay tuned for our next adventure.